Hello everyone, my name is Sidhu and I am studying 6th semester from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. In today's video, we will be going to see about the agriculture in ancient India, the techniques and how they used to use those resources sustainably. Agriculture was the backbone of Indian ancient civilization and also in the present India, shaping its economy, society, and culture. The ancient Indians possessed sophisticated techniques and a deep understanding of sustainability, ensuring food security and ecological balance. From crop diversity to intricate irrigation system, and the practices showcased ingenuity and environmental consciousness. This presentation explores the remarkable agriculture methods employed and used in ancient India, highlighting their relevance in the modern sustainable agriculture. The geographical context and crop diversity. Diverse regions. Ancient Indian agriculture landscape was shaped by its diverse agriculture and geography, including fertile Indus Valley and Gangetic plains. This geographical variation influenced the types of crops cultivated in the region. Key crops like rice, barley, cotton, millets, sugarcane, and legumes were regionally adapted based on the climate and the soil adaptation of soil conditions. And in the early cultivation, evidence suggests that rice cultivation in the Gangetic plain dates back to the 7000 BCE, showcasing the early development of agriculture practices in the region. The specific selection of crops varied based on the regional climate and the soil type. This diversity ensures a suitable and varied food supply for the population. Now we'll see the irrigation system, the engineering marvels in the Indian or the ancient Indian as we say. First, well or kupa. Wells known as kupa were a common source of irrigation widely distributed across different regions. They provided a reliable source of water for small scale cultivation and irrigation and also for the domestic uses also. Second is canals. Early canal system in the Indus Valley civilization dates back to 2600 BCE, demonstrating advancement in engineering skills. This canal efficiently directed waters from rivers to fields, enabling large-scale agriculture and supporting dense population. And third one is a reservoir, lake reservoir or tanks or bands like Sudarshan Lake, which helps to store the water during the rainy season, which could be used during the dire periods. These are well maintained as it is important for the reliable water supply for the year-round cultivation of the different crops. Next, we'll see the tools and technologies used during the agriculture process. First is plow. Different types of plows were used in the various regions adapted to local soil condition and the crop types. The plow was essential for preparing soil, for sowing seeds and improving productivity. Second is a sickle. The sickle was primarily harvesting tool for cutting crops efficiently. It is designed allowed for quick and effective harvesting, crucial for maximizing the yield. Third is a winnowing basket. A winnowing basket was used to separate grain from the chaff, ensuring clean and high quality produce. This tool was vital for the post harvesting processing for the crops. Now we'll see how soil management and fertilization was used. First, crop rotation. Planting different crops in sequence helped maintaining soil fertility by preventing nutrient depletion. This technique prolonged long-term soil health and sustained productivity. Second, fallowing. Leaving land uncultivated for a period allowed soil to restore nutrient naturally. Plowing also was a simple yet effective method for rejuvenating the land. Third is a manuring. The use of animal dung, green manures as a filter, enriching, which consists of various nutrients. This organic approach supported sustainable agriculture for the farm, for the organic structure and also fertility of the soil. Now we'll understand the weather patterns and how the ancient people would understand the weather pattern, which helps, like for example in case of monsoon, ancient Indian possessed detailed knowledge of monsoons and seasonal changes, and helps in crucial planning for the agriculture activities. This understanding allowed for optimized sowing and harvesting time, which helps the farmers to understand which crop to be grown at what season or what time of the year. Second is the weather forecast. Texts like Astra, Shastra, and the Vedas contained references to weather forecasting, indicating a systematic approach to predict the climatic pattern. Ast- Astrology observation and traditional knowledge were used to determine the optimal planning and harvesting time. For third one is the rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting was a technique employed to counter droughts and ensure a stable water supply during the dry periods. This method includes construction of tanks, reservoirs to collect and store rainfall for the later uses. Next is the animal husbandry and integrated farming. As you can see, there are three ways. First is draft animals. Animals like oxen were used for plowing and transportation, providing essential labor for the agriculture tasks. Their strength and endurance were critical in the field of preparation and crop transport. Second is the dairy animals. Dairy animals supplied milk and other products, contributing to the nutritional need of the population. Dairy farming provides suitable source of food and income. Manure. Animal manure were used as fertilizers, enriching soil and improving crop yield. The integrated approach created a sustainable environment ecosystem as well as helps in recycle efficiency. Next, we'll see the agriculture policy and land management. Regulation. Governance system including regulation related to land ownership, taxation and irrigation, ensuring an equitable access to the resources. This policy promotes sustainability and encourages agriculture development. Next is Astra Shastra. Provided an insight into the agriculture administration, policies, governance, and it emphasizes the importance of the efficient resources management and fair taxation. Next is social structure. Different social groups played a different role in or a specific role in an agriculture production, contributing to a well organized and efficient system. This division of labor ensured all aspects of agriculture were managed efficiently. Next is sustainability and ecological balance. First, ecological balance. Ancient Indian agriculture practices promote ecological balance and sustainability, ensuring long-term productivity. These methods prioritized harmony between human and nature, so such that human does not affect the nature, so that the resources coming from it are not depleted. Next, conservation. Emphasis were placed on conserving natural resources such as water and soil, recognizing the vital role in agriculture. Sustainability practices ensured that these resources were used responsibly. Third is a traditional wisdom. Knowledge were passed through generation, ensuring that the sustainable practices and maintaining long-term productivity, and based on this Asian knowledge formed the foundation of the ancient Indian agriculture. And for the conclusion, lessons from the past which we have learned. Ancient Indian agriculture showcased sophisticated techniques and deep understanding for sustainability, from crop diversity and inbreeding irrigation system to soil management and animal integration in agriculture and animal husbandry. Their practices offer valuable lessons for modern agriculture. This emphasizes ecological balance, resource conservation, and traditional knowledge, highlighting the importance of sustainable approaches. By learning from the past, we can adopt the agriculture practices that ensures a better, more sustainable future for all. The earth is a mother and we all are her children. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.